foreign exchange rate, its fluctuations, foreign exchange reserves, its fluctuations, foreign direct investment, borrowings, and such concepts are well known to all of us as we keep hearing about it. All such transactions lead to inflow and outflow of money from the country, and this account has to be maintained. It is maintained by government through balance of payment account. One of the aspects of balance of payment account is capital account, as it deals in such money transactions that either increases or decreases assets and liabilities of the government. So we need to understand whether there has been an increase or decrease in assets and liabilities, and what can government do in either of the situations. So let us understand the components of capital account. Hello everyone, welcome to our ECOSTUDYS channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing our series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered on our website, and that will prepare you for your CBSE as well as CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to subscribe it and share it with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook page. Now let's get started. Capital account of balance of payment records all those transactions between the residents of a country and rest of the world which causes a change in assets and liabilities of the residents of a country or its government. So it is related to the claims and liabilities of financial nature. Capital account is used to finance deficit in the current account and absorb surplus of current account. Hence, it is concerned with financial transfers and does not have any direct effect on income, output and employment of the country. Its components are borrowings, that is, private sector and government borrows from international organizations and is split into 2. External assistance, which is available at concessional rates of interest, and 2. External commercial borrowings available at market rate of interest. Second component is investment, that is expenditure on ownership of assets abroad. It is classified as foreign direct investment, that is ownership of enterprises by non-residents in the domestic economy, and foreign institutional investment, that is investment by non-residents in shares and bonds of domestic company. Third component is non-resident Indian deposits. This is true particularly in the case of India, where interest rates are high. Fourth component is banking capital, that is capital movements in the form of foreign exchange transactions and investment in foreign currency and securities by foreign branches of Indian banks, that is foreign asset holding of commercial banks. Fifth component is trade credit, that is flow of capital on account of short-term debt. Net capital flows in the capital account shows the balance of capital account transactions which may be positive or negative. Positive balance indicates that inward flow of foreign exchange is greater than the outward flow of foreign exchange. And negative balance indicates that inward flow of foreign exchange is less than the outward flow of foreign exchange. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to ECOSTUDYS channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.